Okay. Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nick, and I'm back with another video. Back with another banger, as usual. Guys, today we got the F30. We back to back with the F30 video, 135, back to F30 video. We are actually replacing the door handles, the inner door handles. If you own an F30, you know what I'm talking about. Those things get sticky. They start to come off. Absolutely disgusting. Anyway, summer's coming up. We're out here in Sacramento, California.
Getting hot.
Yeah, it's starting to get real hot. You know what I'm saying? So these things are about to melt every time I grab them to close the door. So honestly, I don't want to deal with it. I bought some off of Amazon. They're actually like plastic. So the original ones are actually like rubber with plastic behind it, but they have this like rubber covering on it in a sense. So these ones are plastic. They look like rubber. They look like completely the original ones, which is awesome. I love to keep it OEM. So these are supposed to last basically lifetime. I think they have like lifetime warranty on it.
Probably.
But
at this point,
yeah. And then we're gonna be replacing the driver's side sun visor as well. I don't know why, but we'll show you guys in a minute. Mine has like some weird stuff from. It looks like it's from the factory even. I don't even know, really? But it's pretty bad. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. So these are pretty much the handles I bought. I think they ran me like 20 bucks or 18 even. They're pretty cheap. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, people basically drill out the old handle. You gotta drill it out from the door panel, the door card itself. You provide bolts here. You basically screwed this one back on, which, I don't know, I hope it's gonna hold good. Bro, I mean, it's held on like little screws, you know what I mean? So honestly, I guess at the same time, we'll test it. We'll see how it works. But honestly, the finish is great. Bro, look at this. It looks like it's rubber. It looks like original. It looks smooth. I love the finish on it for sure. Alright guys, so you can basically kind of line this up to how the door handle is going to sit. As you guys can see, we're going to put obviously 2 screws in here. So we're going to need to pull these 2 out. We're going to need to drill basically this one inside here and this one inside here. So it's you're basically drilling 4 points that are basically plastic welded onto the door card itself. Drill it off. I mean, I'm using a drill bit that's about like perfect. There you go.
Where like comes all the way off?
Yeah, basically. Because that way the bolt actually, or the screw actually has space to sit on it. You know what I mean?
There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Nah, it'll take us like 5 minutes. But guys, just look at this. Oh, look at this gunk. Bro, look how dirty this whole thing looks. Look at the finish on this one though.
Yeah, so like
this finish is a lot
compared to like.
Bro, also you could tell the rubber on this one a lot more because of like the fingerprints and how sticky it's got over the years. You know what I mean? Guys, so there's a bunch of like gunk right here. But actually grab a degreaser real quick and clean it up before we put on the new one. Just for the fact of it being clean. You want to pass me that degreaser real quick?
Throwing some sound effects.
Man,
it's all absolutely clean. There we go, bro.
Bro, this brown is sick.
It does look really good. Fits like perfect.
Bro, it does fit actually like really good.
Look at that.
Guys, it literally just sat in like flush.
Flush, dude. This is gonna be the difficult part though. Is like
screwing these
you're
things
gonna have to like. Oh, it came with screws?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Oh, what?
You literally screw it in and that's it. Yeah.
Bro, this is literally so easy.
So it's got basically like these, I think it's got these like flaps on it. The head is basically kind of like imitates this.
Yeah.
So basically all we do, we're putting it right now into the actual, I don't know if you can catch down the lighting. So right here, for example, we put the screw in there So it goes, guys, 2 screws up here and 2 screws that are gonna go on the inside over here.
Yeah.
And pretty much you're set to go. I mean, honestly, there's not much else explaining, not much other explaining to do. So, bro, easy. Guys, do be mindful though. This is like a very thin, what is it? Almost like cardboard,
like cardboard,
or like fiber.
Yeah,
some sort of fiber.
Something.
But anyway, guys, it's very thin, so be mindful. You guys don't want to like overdo it. Honestly, I would probably hand tighten it. But
if you do it slow, you're good.
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
chilling
So
if it's slow.
That's good, bro. That is perfect.
Once this gets screwed in, it should be good. No?
This is not even getting screwed in though.
No? Into the door? I thought it gets screwed into the actual door.
Oh, it does get screwed into the actual door.
Right?
Oh, that makes sense.
Right, that's what I thought.
Oh, then it's solid because realistically this is all held on by clips.
Yeah.
And you put the 2 screws. Guys, once you put the door card on, you don't put these 2 screws on.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make it as solid as possible, bro. I'm like worried about it. Like, I mean, realistically, if we look at it from here, right? I mean, like, I'm tugging on it pretty hard.
Bro, once it's like screwed in,
I think it should be solid.
I
mean, it's sitting pretty good here. I think
it'll be good.
Bro. Sheesh. I've been meaning to replace these, bro.
No,
you know what I posted? Guys, I posted a... I was scared, bro. I posted an interior shot of my 328 on Instagram. And somebody flamed the heck out of me for these handles. And I was like, bro, I gotta...
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
I wrote mint, and somebody's like, yeah, if those handles were replaced, it'd be mint.
Oh my god.
I was like, no freaking way, bro. So I was like, I bet I'm replacing these. If you're watching this, bro, I mean, you motivated me. Maji.
Oh man, bro.
We're basically good to
pretty
go.
much good.
We'll just swap this bad boy on.
Let's put it back on.
There you go. Okay. That actually looks good now.
Here we go. Oh my gosh.
I was just feeling the beat, bro. Feeling the
beat.
vibe. Yeah, you see how it actually like pressed it in?
Yeah. No, like it like clicked in, right?
Yeah. Bro, this looks good. Oh, bro.
It's like
it was actually not that difficult of an install at all. That feels good, huh?
Bro, how long did it take us? Like 30 minutes?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That was nice. Oh, we actually need to replace one of these clips to get this thing to sit in. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, guys, so we did make a little mistake. It's all good. People make mistakes. It's part of life. But there's this clip right here that you need to swap from your old handle. Probably a lot easier to swap this clip when you have the handle off. If you have it on, it's gonna take a lot of hassling. I mean, it took me like a couple minutes, but it's kind of it's kind of annoying to mess around with. So yeah, this clip basically holds the trim right here that goes on the handle. So there you go.
There, it's perfect.
Bro,
wow,
it looks really good. I like that very much.
That's like literally.
Bro, it's like such a good mod, bro.
It's not even it's like a maintenance thing.
Yeah,
almost.
it's more like a maintenance thing, but it's bro, it's key.
Nice,
like F chassis BMW lacks on that so much. You look at any, like I even have my buddy with the M235. His door handles are clapped. If you're watching this, you need to replace those, bro.
Oh. Is it who I think it is? Yikes, bro.
Video coming up on the M235 though, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, so what I talked about in the beginning of the video, if we look up here, it's got some weird, it's like almost like a factory defect, bro.
Yeah, it's so weird.
It looks weird. Honestly, guys, this is what I got when I replaced all the black headliner. Honestly, it ticks me off every time I look
really
up.
annoying.
It's on the driver's side too, so it ticks me off so much.
You can see it really good from this thing.
I got this one off of an M4.
Wow.
Apparently they fit the same, but more M parts. I swear, it's literally the same thing. But
the same thing.
yeah, guys, let's just go ahead and install these real quick.
There we go.
And there we go, boys.
It's on there.
Woo. That looks good.
That looks way better.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that'll pretty much conclude it. Make sure you guys upgrade and take care of these ugly, ugly door handles, guys. Trust me, your girl's not gonna like it. No, but seriously, make sure you guys check these out. I will have them linked in the description down below. Go cop yourself some. I'm definitely certain that these go bad on same way on the F32s, on the F22s, the 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series, probably honestly even F10.
Any F chassis.
Yeah, any F chassis realistically. Yeah, guys. So I will have these linked in the description down below. Be sure to check them out. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have my Instagram and Johnny's Instagram linked right here. Make sure you guys check us out on Instagram. Make sure you check out the rest of the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.